Can a wheel bearing cause a low pedal condition when it comes to a high performance vehicle? Well, we're going to find out how it does next.
This video is sponsored by BCA Bearings, the #1 supplier of OE quality hub assemblies. Visit bcabearings.com for more information.
You've probably noticed the trend: big wheels and big brake rotors. This is a performance trend not only at the aftermarket level or the performance level, but also at the OE level. But the larger you go with a rotor, the greater the chances are that you're going to have leverage moments that's going to move the flange of the rotor and possibly cause it to strike the pads in the caliper and push back a piston. It is critical when you're replacing a wheel bearing you use a high quality unit, because if you use a low quality unit that typically might undersize some of the bearings inside or even go cheap on some of the metallurgy, that it can cause an issue with more flex in the wheel bearing unit. So when a customer is going around a corner in a very high performance vehicle, this can cause flexing in the hub unit itself. When this happens, well, the rotor moves, but the caliper does not. So when the rotor moves, it pushes the piston back in the caliper. So when the driver has to apply the brakes the next time, that little space, well, hydraulically, it has to supply that fluid, and this will result in a low brake pedal for the customer. This can be scary in some high performance cars. So it's critical that you use a high quality wheel bearing hub unit or bearings themselves. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.